Guys, I'm not an EY stream fan. Like, literally not. I'm not a EY stream fan. No, I'm not. And I don't even like the Scary Myths one. It's just clickbait. It's just super clickbait. Clickbait. It's even Bionic. I don't like Bionic. I don't even have a fan on him. Everything. Cash, nah. I love any one of my subscriptions.